Hi there, Roman from Boostras here. Today I reached to this blog post about how to use Reddit for content marketing research by Nate Shiver, and I decided to explain this advice step by step by making a quick video. So, open reddit.com and choose the topic that you want to write about. For example, SEO. Then click to View More and choose one from here. Click to the top and then make a filter for this month. So here's a bunch of amazing title ideas that we can use. Make a scrolling and find one that you want to write about. So let's suppose I want to write about lazy loading. Copy this link and go to Google Ads account. Go to Keyword Planner from here and click to discover new keywords. Click to start with a website and then choose the location and language. Use only this page and get results. So now here is very general keywords. Then we need to add a filter if you want to write about lazy loading. Keyword text and contains lazy. So here is a few keywords that we can use in our content. If we can't find here specific keywords, then if you have a SEMrush account, you can go to Content Marketing Toolkit and enter here a topic, the same one, lazy loading, and get content ideas. So here's a lot of data. That's because it's loading a lot. Okay, so now we find um, our competitors' search volume of these keywords and also titles. And also we can use the mind map and get all the keywords that we can use on our content. If you don't have a SEMrush, you can use free AlsoAsked.com website and enter the keyword here. English, United Kingdom. If you think you can write in-depth an article, make sure you have a good title and you have a title which people need to click and read your article. Also, Asked is one tool that we can enter the keywords and find also the example of titles which users search on Google. So that's it. Which is better, lazy loading or eager loading? Here is a bunch of titles also, and that's it. You can use Reddit to find an amazing title, and also you can use AlsoAsked. It's free, or if you have a SEMrush account, you can use topic research. It's a fantastic tool, by the way. So hope you enjoy that. See you next time.